All right, these are our 2.2 notes. So we are going to do some more multi-step equation solving. The first step when you're solving a multi-step equation is to distribute if you see parentheses. Step 2 is to combine like terms. And that means you're going to look at the left side, and if there's anything you put together on the left, put it together. Then you're going to look on the right side. If there's anything to put together on the right side, you put it together. Once you're done with that step, or even if you have to do that step, we move on to step 3. Step 3 is move the variables to the left, put them together. And step 4, we'll solve it by putting all the numbers on the right. Okay, let's do a couple practices together. All right, step 1, distribute if you see parentheses. I do not see parentheses, so there's nothing to distribute. All right, step 2, can I do anything with a 5y and a -8? Nope, they can't go together. Can I do anything with a 3y and a 12? Nope, they can't go together. So now it's time to do step 3. Move the variable to the left. So I need to move this 3y. Well, to move that 3y, I'm going to subtract it. Marks out. 5 minus 3 is 2y. Bring down the -8 equals 12 left. All right, step 4, solve it by moving the numbers to the right. So the first thing I need to do is move the h. 2y equals 20. Now I need to divide by 2. Y equals 10. And the problem is solved. Let's look at number 2. Same thing. There's no parentheses, so step 1 is done. There's nothing I can put together there, and there's nothing I can put together there. So now it's time to start moving stuff back and forth. So step 3 says to move the variables to the left. Well, to move a -8, I need to add it. It marks out on that side. -6 plus 8 is 2x plus 14. And I'm left with the 12 over here. Now it's time to go to step 4. Solve it by moving the numbers to the right. Subtract 14. I got 2x equals 12 minus 14 is -2. I'm going to divide by 2. X equals -1. All right. So that's how you do those problems. I need you to do number 3 and number 4 on your own, and that's all you need to do for this lesson. Thank you.